Have you ever wondered why you literally cannot do anything in absolute silence? Think about your daily routine. You can't wash the dishes, clean your room, or fold your laundry without a YouTube video playing in the background. You can't drive your car without music, and you definitely can't fall asleep unless a fan is blowing, white noise is playing, or a podcast is running. You tell yourself that you just like the entertainment, or that it helps you focus. But the truth is much darker. You aren't running away from the quiet room. You are running away from your own mind. Psychologists have found that our modern obsession with background noise is actually a subconscious defense mechanism. We live in a world of constant, high dopamine digital stimulation. Because our brains are constantly flooded with information, absolute silence feels like a sudden, jarring sensory deprivation. But more importantly, background noise acts as a cognitive shield. When your environment is completely quiet, your brain's default mode network activates. This is the region of the brain responsible for self-reflection, overthinking, and scanning your life for problems. In total silence, your mind finally has the space to bring up all the things you've been actively avoiding during the day. Your deepest anxieties, your hidden insecurities, your existential dread, or that long list of things you need to fix in your life. By keeping a podcast, a video, or a show playing continuously, you are keeping your brain just occupied enough that it doesn't have the mental real estate to generate uncomfortable thoughts. You are microdosing distraction to keep your internal demons at bay. You aren't listening to that video because you care about the content. You are listening to it because you are terrified of what your brain